Hi, everybody. Sergio and I got our mail-in ballot forms yesterday, and we're getting ready to fill them out. So this is what the outside of the envelope looks like. And this is for the primary election. The last number here is your district number. Everyone should have a designated district number. Mount Olive has districts 1 through 22. So take note of that for when you're completing your ballot. Now when we open up our ballot, there's three pieces. There's this certificate envelope. This is the return envelope. And this is the actual ballot. I opened mine up previously and filled it out. Here I filled in with either black or blue ink. You can also fill in with a pencil, and I colored in the circles that were here. For our Mount Olive ballot, for a member of the state senate, there was no petition. So we have a fabulous write-in candidate for state senate, Fred Cook. And also for general assembly, it says no petition filed. So we have his wife, Carol. So fill that out and put in your circle. So I've filled out these, all of these candidates. We have Phil Murphy, Scott Faden for general assembly, for county commissioners, T.C. McCourt, Aaron Oliver, Dina McCula. We have 3 male members for state committee, 3 females for state committee, and for our town council in Mount Olive, we have 4 fabulous candidates: Antoine Gales, Nicole Spaldo, Baramde Sharma. Baramde also goes by the name of Alicia, and Jordan Bernstein. Now, for county committee, we need to turn the ballot over. And here we have all the people who filed petitions for county committee. I'm in District 13. I would only vote for people in District 13, which happens to be Irene Sergonis and Sergio Sergonis. So, we're voting for ourselves. If you were, for instance, in District 5, you would go here and you would vote for Andrew Meisner, and Christine Meisner, who filed petitions. If you see that there's a district, say in District 1, that there was no petition filed, perhaps you know somebody who might want to serve, and you could write them in. So that's that. Now we would fold our ballot once we've got it all completed. And this is the certificate envelope. So we would take this, put our ballot inside, and remove the adhesive. There is no reason to sign this because no one helps me to complete this. This is, if somebody helps you complete the ballot, they would sign here. So then I would close this, and seal it, turn it around, and I have already signed it. And I have a little cheat sheet. I made a copy of my last voter registration application with my signature, so I remember which signature I use. So I have this. So I have it in the certificate envelope, and now I'm going to put it in the return envelope. And when I put it in the return envelope, I have to make sure that the address is showing in the return envelope. This, my address is showing, and there's an adhesive here that I would take off and seal it.
Okay.
And if you notice, There's no postage necessary. You can put it in your post office box, how you usually mail your mail, send your mail, or you can take it to the drop box, which is located in front of the Senior Center at the Mount Olive Township Municipal Building. And make sure you vote. And if you did not receive a vote by mail application, I highly recommend that you apply for vote by mail. It is so easy and convenient and safe. Thank you.